Welcome students. I am Rashmi, your English teacher. So today we are doing tense with you. Tense is you know it is the backbone to English language. रीढ़ की हड्डी. So many things they are just dependent upon tense. Just like active passive. One, narration. Two, clauses. Transformation. And the most important thing, our 75% paper, that is unseen, also dependent upon tense. So we will do tenses carefully. Keep a separate copy with you. Write down the important things that I am telling you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you may get updated videos. At the same time, don't leave the video even for a single minute. If you just miss it by 1 minute, you will lose the chapter. You will lose the tenses. So students, please give attention. And now I will tell you tense in हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं. काल, present, past, future in English, and in Hindi वर्तमान, भूतकाल, भविष्यकाल. वर्तमान प्रेजेंट टेंस, जो चीज चल रही है, जस्ट एज आई एम टीचिंग यू. प्रेजेंट, कल पढ़ाया. पास्ट टेंस, कल पढ़ाऊंगी. फ्यूचर, तीनों चीजें आ गई. क्लियर टू यू दिस? प्रेजेंट है. पास्ट इंग्लिश, हियर इज, एम, आर. हियर वाज, वर. जस्ट एक रफ आइडिया. फ्यूचर, शैल विल. जो हम एकदम से दिमाग में पिक्चर आती है टेंस के बारे में. ये बात अलग है कि आई विल डिफाइन यू फर्दर द पार्ट्स. एंड फ्यूचर, गागेगी, विल, शैल. एंड नाउ आई कम टू योर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट. These three tenses, past, see here, present, past, future. They have 4 forms equal. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, continuous. Indefinite, जो definite नहीं है. First of all, I will do this. Present indefinite tense, जो टेंस अभी डेफिनिट नहीं है. मुझे नहीं पता, मैं पढ़ता हूं. अरे कब से पढ़ रहा हूं, क्या है नहीं पता. सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट इनडेफिनिट टेंस. दैट इज द डिफिकल्ट टेंस आल्सो, एंड इट इज मोस्टली यूज्ड इन आवर क्वेश्चन आंसर, इन आवर डेली रूटीन राइटिंग वर्क्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गो फॉर इट. कि कैसे पता चलेगा, ये तो हम देखें कि हाउ वी विल कम टू नो व्हाट विल बी देयर. द रिकॉग्निशन, पहचान. ता ते ती, वह पढ़ता है, वे पढ़ते हैं, वे पढ़ती है. ता ते ती. एंड नाउ कम टू द रूल्स फॉर दिस टेंस. Please write down in your copies the rules. Always use first form of the verb. First form. This I have already taught you when I did verbs with you. First form, second form, third form. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Go is first, went is second, gone is third. We will use go, first form. Secondly, the main critical point is here, the use of s or es. The use of s or es with third person singular. That is the main rule here. Students often commit a mistake whenever I teach them, and when I after my teaching, when they write, they so many times they write I writes, he read, they forget to put s, so it will be a blunder. It comes in editing also, in grammar so many times. So students, please don't forget to put s or es with third person singular. Now you will say, ma'am, please tell the person again. So again repetition is there. First person, second person, and third person. First is I am first, you second, and the third he, she, it, any, name, they, plural भी, plural, he, she, वह, any name, it is called third person singular. Singular के साथ s. Students, they confuse so many times. They put s here or there. No. Please take it s as a stone. s को एक पत्थर मान लो, stone मान लो. Now tell me, will I hit myself? खुद को पत्थर मारूंगी? No. सामने वाले को? No. बहुत सारे लोगों को? No. किसको मारेंगे? He, she, it, any name. So please keep this thing in your mind that s will come with third person singular. Three person are there. First is I, second you, and third he, she, it, any name. सिंगुलर के साथ थर्ड पर्सन के साथ हम एस लगाएंगे. ये आप नहीं भूलिएगा. इसकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से आपको करनी है. बहुत आई विल गो स्लोली. आई विल गिव टाइम टू दिस टेंस बिकॉज यू कमिट सो मेनी मिस्टेक. नाउ हाउ यू विल रिमेंबर? आई राइट ए लेटर. Very simple. First form of the verb has come. We write a letter. You write a letter. He writes a letter. She writes a letter. Ram writes a letter. Sita writes a letter. They write a letter. So please try to understand this thing, and in the same manner you will do the practice. I will write 3-4 sentences separately and you will make. I say this Gardan. Just as you have Gardan in Sanskrit, we have Gardan in English. So that you may have a practice. And practice makes a man perfect. We will not shy in doing the practice. What is the use of doing so many mistakes in exams? कि जय practice नहीं करेंगे. क्यों भाई? Do work hard. So, see here, I just give. First of all, please write the 8 sentences. I write a letter. First of all, 1, I. Second, we. Third, you. 4, he, she, Ram, Sita, they. That is the student's golden technique. If you follow the technique, I can say with guarantee, you will not commit any mistake during exam. Your tenses will be perfect. And within 6 months, you will say to me, ma'am, now I can speak in English. So have courage, have the sense of hard work and confidence in you. Now the second sentence, I write a sentence, you will make like this 8 sentences. I read a book. Second, and the third one, I go to temple. And the fourth, I complete my work. Now 4 sentences, 4 into 8, how many? 32. 32 sentences you will write in your copies, separate notebooks, and in this box also you can mention at least 2 gardan. Means 16 sentences you will write. We will have a practice for that, and after that we will do interrogative and negative sentences also. They have separate rule for that. For the interrogative and negative, we use do or does. We use do or does. Just as I write a letter, मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ. So we just I hope this thing will be very heavy for you. So this interrogative and negative I will do in my next video. Till then you have a practice. Make it a rule that you will give at least 2 hours for English